Akor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka kinhon jong ki seng ke badai ki nong peniat ye ki jaka jong kai perthai ha ka Jylla kila penlong daga jinyalang ka kirki menta ka sengit hok ding ka arpu hundre terik unai tung arjar arpu sal halor ka jingjia sha pakhang lenti ki kali ki bawan kit ye ki nong jong kai perthai bat pha rit pha ye ki shaki jaka baki wan nakaliang ka kinhon kala penpau ye ki jing skongsi halor ka Jingleh jong ka seng Hnyf ban penpa ye ki bre ki bakwa ban wan pet ye ki jing itnat ki lom ki wa jong ka Jylla lingba ki thain Sohra hinrei ki brasha penpai pat tang maria poi ha ka jingking ting ar haba keren chikilat pathai khubor nakaliang ginong elam jong ki seng hapo ka kinhon kila ong bagani ka de ka sin ka baningkong bat amju kham yo I ya ki bakum gini ki jingjia bala yo iru ba ka shimpor ki postnem ban yo I ka jing wan jong ki nong jong kai perthai sha ka Jylla kumbalong menta kinong yalam kila ong ba ka jing paunam jong ka Jylla Meghalaya halor ki kam jong kai ha ka baki breu ki kwa ban wan hinrei ne ka Jingleh jong ki katokat ni kan penman thaj bat penlong salia ki nong jong kai perthai ban wan sha po ka Jylla bat kani kala penduk jingkermen jiki nong penyat jiki jaka jengok kai bat ru ka Ktah ru ya ka kamai kaji jong ukup shiliang usem shiliang uba im nakti hakti uba alan west kharkongor uwe ni kinong elam jong ka kinhon kinong jengok kai perthai haba keren hangani ka sngi ula ong baka jingjia kabala jia menta ka sngi kalong kumbat he peja bat ki penpau ru ka jing persha halor ka Jingleh jong ka seng deka baong baka Jingleh jong ka Hnyf kalong shisha ka Jingleh Khlem Akor bat ka Pynthohbria ru ye ka Sohra pada ka Jylla hi barok ka we aga jo ko por na kalyang ba alan west ula kintu ye ka seng Hnyf bakan le yala ka benta ban pensngo ye ki mat hinrei kam dei pan ban Ktah ya ka Jakpoh jong ki pat ba na kalyang ka kinhu na ka jo ko por kalapan ma bru na ki nongwan jong kai perthai halor ka jingjia ka bala jia menta ka sngi bat ong bakum ginong penyat ki don kam ni ginong jengok kai perthai bat ka seng ka khot sngop ha byang ye ki breu bakin wan sheki jaka jengok kai bat ki kularu ban pej ye ki jing jongki.
We are coming here today as tourism stakeholders of Meghalaya. We have so many associations here, tourism stakeholders associations. We have combined together. We have come here because of one reason. All are aware that what happened today was in fact so to say a very sad day for us in the tourism industry in Meghalaya, where we have seen that tourists coming to our state to visit the tourism spots, beautiful tourism spots of our state, especially in Sohra and other Dauki area, they were turned back. It is a big surprise for them, as it was also a big surprise for us, because for the first time we have seen tourists were sent away. It took us many years as tourism stakeholders in the state to build up this tourism footfall that we are having today, what we are enjoying today. Many years we had to even woo tourists to come to this place. We have to tell them, we have to explain to them, please come visit our state. It is a beautiful state. Although the infrastructure is not up to the mark, but please bear with us, come to us, to our place, so that we can build the livelihoods of the tourism and we can build this tourism industry, whatever you have seen today, because of that kind of what you call the call from us tourism stakeholders for the tourist people to visit this state. But unfortunately, what happened today, what all the efforts that we have put up for so many years has come to as naught. I say not because whatever happens today, you have seen within the next few minutes and hours, first few hours, that incident where the tourists were turned out by an NGO there in Umtingar has spread across the country and far and wide, maybe outside also, because of social media. And many calls, we as tourism stakeholders, we got so many calls from all over the place, and people said that what it is an unfortunate incident that happened in your state. We never expect that a Meghalaya, a state which is really known today as one of the top tourism state in the country, such thing can happen in this state. So this is one thing which we felt bad, and that's what we felt that we should come together and we should, as one voice, we have so much bad feelings today. All of us, our hearts were pained with what happened. So we came here, and we have so many associations here. I've come here I'm president of the Tour Operator Association of Meghalaya, and we have the president of Federation of Shillong Hotels here. We have from president of Meghalaya Rural Tourism Development Forum. We have also TDF Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum. We have the Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya. And we have also our knowledge partners from universities, from MLCU and other universities who are giving us the tourism knowledge, whatever required as stakeholders. They are our knowledge partners. They also felt the pain and they came today here. And we have various other bodies, other forums and other associations which are directly and indirectly dealing with tourism. And we all with one voice we came today, and we want to show to the world and to want to tell everybody that we are very unhappy with what happened today, and we have come here to see that our interests, our tourism business in the state is being protected, and at the same time also we want to say that all those who are in the tourism business and those who are not in the tourism in the business but enjoying the fruits of tourism, that they also they feel the pain today. And I feel that one thing we would like to say and apologize to all the tourists that have been affected today from our side, from the tourism stakeholder side, and that they should not feel what happened today is unfortunate from our side. But then we would like to welcome them back to Meghalaya, and we would like to see that all the tourists comes to the Meghalaya state, because we need them, and we would like to see that we keep on growing in this tourism sector, because this is one of the sectors that gives a maximum employment to the state. We have so many youths here which are unemployed, but tourism is one industry, so to say, in the industry which is really giving benefit to all those who are affected by unemployment.
Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum. Nya shongne krui mta si ban pawe ke jing so pendit to bakra ba ke jing so si ru alor ke jing jam le ba umpoi purhan in community ba ha kan ke jing so tona dengan ke yo tourism ko ja tala bun snem ya ba baro ni so thu ikata ke jing so tona long halor ke jing to ban yo kan ke kam livelihood kam ka jam ke ba kibri ki yo ba kan kam sakai perthai tinrei ke jing ja hne ka long bathe umbuja ya borok khoi ki betre hne kam but ila pan pawe ka jing persyak bajur ga bedi bat ka jingleh jong ka to seng ka ba syukur thlep untum step syubat iki bristeng ti ba sosi kalong ba bankong pan i ka jinglong khlem akor ka jingleh joki ba jutep khantam ka to jing ja ka de hakrap dop sa Sohra ka ba pauna nam ka jingdon akor tinrei ke jingleh ni tu kiseng ka pan pawe ka jinglong khlem akor but ka ai ka image bas new ndai syu tang ya ka Sohra ndai ka state por koi sia ka thai sabar tumla ong dai ba ban lum ban tei ya ni ka yo tourism kum lagi bosu simpor da islam mangi ba trai ka ni ka kam ni so thu ba ndai magic musule magic bakan long ni we have hop art we have slop but kumba ka long ni mtahi nuot ban ong ba ka dei jing trace tom lagi ki briba ya don pentah ni ka kap ada kilong ke seng hotel ada gibri ke ba bu e ka kanja gibri banyak kali gibri be lam guide semua maksudnya kan ka kam sakai perthai mta ka ekam ki local jungi. It's all about local livelihood ban yale akai kumni ba kan kam kumni long jingja basungsi hoi ki issue ba per ki don ki seng balang ki don la ka jong ka hok ban ris ki concern joki tang ba ka don ka rukom le ban sube ubri siteng ti kemo ya bisa sien kapan isi dor ya ka jinglong jongi ba ka reflect ya ka dor ba sniu sya ki we pat ki benta jong ka perthai ha ka jok social media mta pher tuk tiak tang de second kubol apoi keleng ka perthai ya ka buram ka pangiri beros kata ngi chupun spoil tang ka po clip mat mon de ke ba sniu ha da kerpat nang ni sakhmat ndai tang ya to seng iki seng ru ba pile aku mikini kam na perhat sangi perhat jengai ba ka repercussion ka diga ba jengai ngayo kol keleng menta lagi thain no kendong jengi lagi beri pelapun pa ke jing pitar awi re kan ke jing jam ne si de hok bakin pitar nomor la Ktah Jakpoh joki ham tam ha kan ke juk ke ba mo ka pangia perkhat man phai kham bha se ki kam ki bolong sustainable la ong to nya sange no ti mau to nya sange no ti mau syun rei syudon bok ba glei ru dai terpang kan ni ri khasi jungi bau ai ko wi gejing khu bau ai makan long ke jaka ka bi tanah di way ni resource ba ibri gila ban sim ko bui kan ni ban kamai kendong Jakpoh tin rei sothu kan ba ha ba ibri gila le sitom kum ni nga keren ha wi de ba ibri ba invest ha kinong kendong jadi no kendong ban sim lun silak arlak de kam basuk bapligan rat kila sim lagi lun ban seng ki homestay ban seng ki dukan joki de mungkin ki jingja mut penseir kamai Jakpoh joki tina tradau da kerpat banang ni sakmat kumong ki isu gini ki seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hak pan pau ki jing e jong ki le ha kom ko badai berbor gadang kom ban le kata ban asif yang ngono ke jing ni kan ngono ke jing kwa amde ban chu de jubor kum tu ndai berbor hi ke de lemba ke jing keren ke jing suthu bat ke jing pen bet da ka ba ya suthu lang iwe ni em ha kan ni ke jaka ka ba wat ju perkhat mengi la ban im ban long isolated tin mau hi berbor mengi ru dan tablet sabe mane phone ki khon jong aro pulis sabar wangi sos ir marba yo sakta sengi ru ki khasi ki basa sabar ke Jylla me halia nak daw banga ong hi insist ba nang ni sakmat le da jing sothu bat le ru da jing kit Khlem ba ke baja hong ni kala ban Ktah kala yong kertok kala segi student sungi di basa sebagai Jylla ka tourism kadai open business open market nga suthu ka hok hi boong la dingi pendon kami ke resource jungi badi ke Jylla jungi sudon hok hi sia bagin kamai shiwa gi try jungi mo try Jylla tianda ke berkom le ai briun jit yapi te saperhat bahai kani jing ajumot hi na kalian jungi gelong ba nang ni sakmat continue ki issue jong pi tangba burom ko ita Jakpoh joki be tena keren ni kani lasai ka sing ka sodon ke Jylla ka bahe ba po like kro mojrong ti ka ba barok khat ki stakeholder jong tourism ki bade nok dong kin sai simenta ban penpawi ka jing persya alor ka jing jam ne ski ba ban keren sali kum no ban penti kena ba mungkin ki jing ja nang ni sakmat ki ban ja shu
of the hoteliers. I would like to say one thing, that whatever happened today is very painful indeed. In today's world, tourists traveling anywhere in any part of the world is welcomed. The last thing they do, the treatment they get is harassment in any part of the world. So it is not expected that we give them the best of treatment here, and they are not harassed. They had come with their families, they had hotel bookings, they were proceeding towards the hotel, they were looking forward to a weekend holiday, and they were suddenly turned back. So it is very unfortunate, and I hope it never repeats. This kind of a situation never appears again. The fallout of this is drastic. Today itself, the figures that I am getting is about 30% of bookings have been cancelled. And tomorrow onwards, we expect more than 50% of the bookings to be cancelled. It's already started happening because people are inquiring. And ultimately, who loses? The entire state loses. The entire population loses. A lot of people are dependent on the tourism now. My friends have already spelled the vastness of the impact of the tourism industry, from the street hawkers to the homestay owners to the restaurants to the cafes. Everyone is a loser. So it is a very, very losing situation for everyone, and we condemn this kind of an incident vehemently and urge upon the government to ensure that this kind of a situation is not repeated again.
For the last 20 years has come to naught in just a few hours today. It's very sad that we as the Tourism Forum, we strongly condemn this act that the NGOs have done. I think Sohra and the rest have talked a lot about this. So, as what Josie had inquired, The next program of action that we intend to do is to write a strong letter to the tourism minister, Jakpoh, to apprise him and to let him know about how we felt as stakeholders. We shall also be giving out a press release in text in a few hours' time so that you can please kindly bring this out. And may we take this opportunity as stakeholders in the tourism industry that we apologize for this act, this cowardly act, illegal act done by NGOs. And as Bandung said, Meghalaya is a beautiful place. It's one of the top destinations in the country, and we welcome tourists again to this place.
Tolong kay ke ba songsi akalian association dan tour guides association of Meghalaya dan mana men step hi ngalayo call ke ba bon ngot ki guides ki ong kerja ayu ba sto support tolong bagi turis barak kim trek ban sini tekni Ktah kala Ktah jur session mar ba ki lakumba khat lain ngot ki bala pon dengan nadu mana men step bagi ong bagi turis ki la cancel bagi syak sabon wan ti ki don ru ki guides ki bala phone nga ki ba ong ba kidang don ki trip lasai kidang don ki trip kini ki sibon wan ru kala Ktah tekni ki jingleh don kini ki seng kajing le start nganong mo ya kan kam tourism jungi kala penduk Jakpoh iki samla ki badang shim kini kam guide kumbala keren kumbala keroi ba alam bene ki ke tourism jungi kam dei syutang hasilong menta layat bahasa po ki than nong pendom te ke boleh ke yat ki than nong pendom ru ka ai kam ai jam bat ka pen reduce kata ka jingwan jungi kena jengki samla na po nong pendom sesor hakaliang ban wat kam wat jam Tiga kam kalau don lupa senang cuki, tambah lagi kijak mungkin ni kijingja ki bala ajate ngomdei tak kasin benikong ke pemerintah kan penduk mensim ki local guides jungi kan penduk mensim ki samla jungi ki badang wa mensim ban sengjam la kini kerkom ban guide ki turis ki ba lech kini ki jaka ba pero ker. Ti nakaliam jong ka tour guides association of Meghalaya hi ka pendram jor kini ka jingja ke jingleh jong kini ki sek.
Long term impact. Because these kind of things, they don't, impact only a short period of time, but it is a long term. And people come to the state. They plan their holidays coming to the state. They book their flights. They think. So what happens if now the season is coming? Now season is coming. The next 1 to 2 months, the season coming, and it lasts till the New Year's. And in this season, if they started withdrawing, start going to other destinations, then so there will be a substantial loss of footfall in Meghalaya. That is we are afraid. And once you lose that kind of thing, group in one season, it may occur in other seasons also. So these are the things which we feel that. That's why we feel that what happened, one action like whatever happened today, it can create an impact over a longer period, a very long period, and to take that away. And then that is a little difficult for us because we'll have to go a long way. Again, we'll have to go with all the social media, all our marketing strategies. Again, we have to divert everything for this thing.
It has happened actually. It's happened in the previous years. If you recall the other incidents in Ichamati, the other incidents in Motran, we have lost a lot, and it took us a real. It took us so much to recover from these losses, and the normalcy is not there again as it used to be, and tourists, they get frightened, they get scared, and instead of coming here, they're going somewhere else to Thailand, to other places. Arunachal is coming up, and then
because the other destinations are picking up now. So what we are losing now, we may lose for years together because other destinations will take as a good opportunity for them to take away the tourists from Meghalaya and to take to their place. And once tourists start visiting other destinations, it will be difficult for those tourists again to come back to Meghalaya. And then the lots of they're getting good publicity, so then that is what we are afraid.
If it's an illegal activity, definitely the law should take its own course. So we are happy that we heard that they have been detained or arrest maybe. So I think we are happy with that the government today did acted fast and arrested those people who were there at Pynthohbria. So
That is good, but provided for the action should be taken, so that at least they will be.
Passes through our state, they go to Tripura, to Mizoram. So I think so the second model will be kind of difficult. But we are just concerned about our issues, the issues about what the tourist taxis are having. Let them sort it out with the government. But what we're trying to say here is that issue has affected the tourism industry in particular. So what they do with we cannot speak on their behalf on whether it's good or bad. So I think so it's best for them to work it out themselves.
What we can do as fellow stakeholders in the tourism, because we are also like tour operators, we have got packages and all. We also do require vehicles, and we have to transport our our tourists. So what we need to think is that we also from our side we will try to help whatever possible ways which we can talk to our some counterparts tour operators and maybe to taxis to come out in between to find out some solution, because we know very well that these tourist taxis maybe they have suffered a lot because they're not getting that much kind of business. But then but what happened today is not that we expected that it should be with that kind of action to be taken. So we feel that we will be there because we are in the tourism sector, we are all working as one, and we feel that if they have anything which they may require our support or help, so let them approach us also from the tourist taxis association, and let us come forward, and then we will see whatever possible from our side will do to help them. But one thing is the message is clear that no tourist should be harassed. That is one thing is clear. That is what the intention of why we are meeting today.
That
The
we
main that is we all condemn.
Yes.
That we don't want. With ever form, with harassment of tourists, we will not think.